Yes, the 7 billion human beings stored to lose the new ship USS Gerald Ford. $13 billion. Most significantly technically advanced aircraft carrier there is in the world. $13 billion for a ship. But what are you going to have? What are you going to have? Shame in the world. Shame in the world. $13 billion ship. 17 million children are starved in this country. Children are starved all over the world. We're building ships that we don't need. Somewhere the war's got to stop. Healing's got to begin. That's up to people, man. People have to do it. People have to stand up as enough. Fight for peace, not war. But as long as you have people who are willing to invest their money in ships, governments, you have to do it. You have to do it. Well, and protect our country. We'll protect our country. So it's a good thing to do. Something you may struggle knows. Thank you for watching.